Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mrs. Speak English channel. I'm Emma.
Hi, friends. I'm Ethan. We're very happy to see you today.
Today's lesson is very important. We will talk about listening skills. Many English learners say, Emma, I can read English, I can write English, but I can't understand native speakers.
Yes, that's very common. Movies, YouTube videos, podcasts. Sometimes native speakers sound too fast, right?
Exactly. But don't worry. Today, we will help you.
In this video, you will learn why listening feels difficult, the biggest mistake learners make, and 5 simple things that will improve your listening.
And the best part, we will practice together. By the end of this lesson, you will already feel more confident. Ethan, let me ask you something. When you listen to English, what do you try to understand first?
I try to understand every single word.
Ah, that is the biggest mistake.
Really?
Yes, many students listen word by word and translate in their head.
And that's slow.
Very slow, because English does not sound the same when words come together. Let's try a simple example. Listen carefully. Good day.
That sounds like one word.
Exactly, but it's actually 2 words. Good plus day.
But native speakers don't say good day.
No, they say it together. Some sounds disappear.
Oh, so sounds can drop.
Yes, we drop sounds, letters, and even small words. For example, excuse me.
Native speakers say, excuse me.
Correct. The beginning sound disappears.
What about shall we go?
Good question. It often sounds like, "Shall we go?"
Whoa, no wonder listening is hard.
Exactly. But when you know this, listening becomes easier. Now let's talk about linking.
Linking means words join together, right?
Yes. For example, have a.
Sounds like have a.
Perfect. So have a good day becomes have a good day. Sometimes we even add a sound.
Add a sound? That sounds confusing.
It can be, but it's normal. Listen, go and.
Sounds like go in.
Yes, we add a W sound. Now listen carefully. Should we go and have a good day?
Oh, now I hear it.
Great! So remember, sounds drop, sounds link, sounds change. Now, the 5 listening secrets. 1. Word stress. In every sentence, some words are strong.
They carry the meaning.
Exactly. Listen, can you pay by cash?
Pay cash.
Yes. Focus on those words. You don't need every word. 2. Chunks. English is full of chunks.
Chunks are groups of words spoken together.
Right. For example, I'd like to.
Sounds like one unit.
Yes. Don't count words. Listen to the sound. 3. Weak forms. Small words are often weak.
Like to, for, you.
Yes. 2 becomes ta. 4 becomes fa. You becomes ya.
So native speakers don't say everything clearly.
Exactly. 4. Contractions. We also shorten words.
Like I am to I'm.
Yes, I would have to I would've.
That's very common in speaking.
5. Connected speech. This is the big one.
Words connect across spaces.
Correct. For example, get a becomes getta. Called you becomes called ya.
Whoa, English really flows.
Yes, and your ears must learn that flow. There are 2 ways to practice listening.
Short listening and long listening.
Yes, short clips, listen carefully. Long videos, just understand the idea.
No stress. Just listen again and again.
Let's listen again. I'd like to get a ticket to London.
I hear getta and ticketa.
Excellent. So, friends, listening improves when you stop translating and start listening to sounds.
English is not about words only. It's about rhythm, stress, and flow.
If this lesson helped you, please like and share this video.
And keep practicing with Mrs. Speak English channel.
Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.